Let's walk the hands forward a little bit, and we're going to slide one knee between the hands, shoulders back, chest up, and press it back. Switch. Slide the knee between the hands, shoulders back, chest up, and slide it back. Shoulders, chest. Last time. Push back. Good. Now let's take the knee forward and we're going to hold it here. So I always like to pull that back leg a little further behind. We're trying to keep the hips facing forward, so we don't want to turn over to the side. We want to stay straight forward if we can. And we're coming down to the floor and relaxing into pigeon stretch. Now, if you have a hard time holding this position, no problem. Stick with the dynamic movement we just did. So just practicing getting into the stretch, holding it a little bit longer as you progress. Okay, coming up, we're gonna come on to our hands. We're gonna engage the glutes and the abdominals, push back, and we'll change sides. Slide the knee, walk the leg back if you'd like. Make sure the hips are facing forward, they're parallel, and then hinge forward, coming down onto your hands and focusing on the breath. Okay, coming up onto our hands. Once again, pushing back onto our hands and knees. Let's sit back on the heels, reach the arms forward, relax into child's pose, and just take a deep breath. Let's engage the abdominals. We're going to stay on our forearms. We're going to come on to the floor. The legs are about hip width apart. Hands are by the rib cage. Relax the nose to the mat. We're going to roll the shoulders back behind, hug the elbows in. Head and chest come up nice and slow. No weight on the hands. Hold it here. And then take your time to come back down. Let the shoulders relax. Roll the shoulders, hug the elbows. Coming up. Keep the legs in contact with the ground so it's just the back working. Relax back down. This time we're going to put some weight on the hands. Roll the shoulders, hug the elbows. Chest and chin come up. Press the palms, come a little higher. And slowly contract down. Relax the shoulders. Roll back, hug the elbows. Start off with no weight on the hands. Once you get up as high as you can, then put some weight a little higher. Slowly relax back down. Take your time. Use the muscles to control on the way down. Roll the shoulders, hug the elbows, coming up on your own. Then use the hands a little higher, coming down nice and slow. Roll the shoulders, hug the elbows, coming up on your own. Start to use the hands. Hold it here. Take a breath. And slowly coming back down. Good. Let's come on the forearms. We're going to engage the glutes. Come up onto your hips. Bring the knees forward. And let's get onto our backs. Take hold of the hamstrings, tuck the pelvis under, roll it down, one vertebrae at a time. We're going to hug the knee into the chest, and then we're going to extend the leg up as high as we can, and we're just going to take the leg wherever you feel comfortable. So you do want to feel a little stretch at the back of the leg, but you should be comfortable enough that you can hold it here. Now we're going to flex the foot, push the heel to the ceiling, and then we're going to point the foot, but keep pulling the toes towards you, and then you're going to point the toes. Now we're going to flex just the toes, but keep pointing the foot, and then flex at the ankle. So foot, toes, toes, ankle. Foot, toes, toes, ankle. And keep going. Toes, ankle. Good. Now do all of it together. Point and flex. Point and flex. Last one. Good. And take the leg down, shake it out a little bit. Other side. Pull the knee in, extend the leg up. So you do want to feel a little bit of a pull at the back of the leg, but enough that you can hold it here. So wherever you feel comfortable, flex the foot, push the heel to the ceiling. Now you're going to point the foot, but not the toes. Keep pulling the toes towards you. Now point the toes. Now just flex the toes without moving the ankle. And now flex the foot, press the heel to the ceiling. Point the foot, point the toes, flex the toes, flex the foot, point the foot, point the toes, flex the toes, flex the foot, keep it going. Good. Now let's do the whole thing. Point, flex, point, flex. One more. Okay, take the leg down. We're going to cross the legs as if we were sitting cross-legged in a chair. And we're going to hug the knees into the chest. Taking hold of the knees, the shins, or the ankles, but not the feet. Don't grab those feet. Grab the ankles. We're not stretching the ankles here. We're stretching the hips. Now we're going to pull everything in towards you. So if you're grabbing hold of the knees, you pull into the chest, shins, ankles, pull into the chest. Relax the neck and the shoulders. And just relax into the stretch, leaning into that pull through the hip, relaxing the muscles of the face, relax the neck and the shoulders, and focusing on the breath. Okay, letting go, uncross. Then we'll do the other side. Cross the knees as if you were sitting cross-legged in the chair. Hug in towards you, taking the legs where you can. Pull it all in and focusing on the breath. Relax the shoulders, muscles of the face and the jaw. Take one more breath. Okay, letting go. Uncross. Let's turn over onto our sides. We're going to push ourselves up into a seated position, sitting any way you feel comfortable. Let's place the hands on the knees, roll the shoulders back. We're going to cross one hand over, the other one comes to the back. Lift up, rotate around, breathe, and then gently come back into the center and switch. Cross, one behind, pull up, breathe, come back into the center. One more time each side. Cross over, pull up, breathe, into the center. Last time, pull up, breathe, back into the center. Good. Take a breath. Inhale up and exhale, relax down. And thanks for joining me. See you next time.